As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company (DCEC) was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC construction engines power range covering from 80 horsepower to 600 horsepower. Emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 5.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce DCEC QSL8.9 construction engine. DCEC QSL8.9 construction engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine with 8.9 liter displacement, equipped with CCR fuel system and L2L intercooler system. The output torque covering from 936 Nm to 1500 Nm. The rated power covering from 220 horsepower to 360 horsepower, at rated speed range from 2100 rpm to 2200 rpm. The overall dimensions of our DCEC QSL 8.9 construction engine is 1240 by 780 by 1185 mm, and the net weight is 774 kg. The emission standard is EU Stage 3A. The standard DCEC QSL 8.9 construction engine comes with the following accessories: air filter, flywheel housing, flywheel, fuel filter, home rail system, fuel pump, ECU, charging alternator, oil cooler, oil filter, turbocharger, start motor, based on standard DCEC QSL 8.9 construction engine, ConeMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConeMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application. Based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers, ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.